Hey everyone, in this video we are comparing the top three cloud giants, Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform GCP to help you decide which one you should learn first in 2025. So let's dive in. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is everywhere from website and mobile apps to AI and gaming. These three platforms are leading the charge, but how do they differ and which one fits you best? Here is a snapshot. AWS is the oldest and largest. Azure dominates in enterprises thanks to Microsoft integration. Google Cloud shines in data and AI. Yes, but numbers only tell part of the story. So let's see about the job market and demand. If you're looking at job opportunities, AWS still leads, especially for entry level and cloud engineer roles. Azure is huge in enterprises and governments. GCP is growing, especially in AI related roles and startups. About the ease of learning, if you're just starting, GCP often feels easiest, especially for developers. Azure is great if you're already using Microsoft tools. AWS can seem more complex, but it has tons of resources and the biggest learning community. So, the use cases and strengths, as you can see, different clouds shine in different areas. If you're aiming for AI or ML, go with GCP. If you're in corporate IT, Azure might be best. If you want the broadest career options or to build apps, AWS is a safe bet. So, which one should you learn first? Well, you choose based on your goals. There's no one size fits all. It really depends on your background and goals. But if you're starting fresh in 2025, AWS is still the best fast cloud to learn with the most tutorials, job listings, and community support. So here are final recommendations. Learn one cloud really well, and switching later becomes much easier. The fundamentals like compute, storage, networking are the same across platforms. So thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which cloud are you learning first or which one you're using at work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cloud and tech content. See you next time.